Hello, GHL agency user. Introducing Image Slider from the Level Up Marketplace. Do you want to showcase multiple images in a sleek and engaging way? With our Image Slider widget, you can display a series of stunning images or promotions that slide seamlessly on your website. It's the perfect tool to captivate your visitors, highlight your products, and create an interactive experience. Are you ready to make your visuals come to life? Add the Image Slider today. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up Marketplace.